Good morning, boys, and welcome back to maths class of class 4. Last class we had done chapter 4, okay, that was addition. Today we will be doing chapter 5, that is subtraction. So you have an idea of subtraction which you have been doing in class 1, 2, 3 also, okay. So we will start with subtraction. In subtraction, the first exercise is a revision exercise. So revision means what you have done in class 3, the last class. So we will start with exercise 5A. Question number 1, it says subtract the following, okay. So the number is 7438 minus 4849. So you will subtract. So always whenever you subtract from the ones place, okay. So ones place, you will see you got 8. So from 8 you cannot subtract 9. So what you will do? You will borrow. So 3 will become 2, 8 will become 18. From 18, 9, 9. You will borrow again 3, 12. From 12, 4, 8. You will borrow again 6, 13. From 13, 8, 5. From 6, 4, 2. So the answer is 2589. Next question, 21,484 minus 17,826. This is question number F. So from 4 you cannot subtract 6, you will borrow. 8 will become 7, 4 will become 14. From 14, 6, 8. From 7 to 5. From 4 you cannot subtract, so you will borrow again. So it will become 0, 14. From 14, 8, 6. Again you will borrow 1, 10. From 10, 7, 3. From 1, 1, 0. So you will get 3658. Now question number 2, it says solve, subtract 27,247 from 32,304. So from is always written on the top, or from the greater number you always subtract the smaller number. So this is the greater number, so you will write it 32,304 minus 27,247. Okay, now from 4 you cannot subtract 7, so what you will do? You will borrow, but you got a 0 over here, so you will borrow from the previous number. 3 will become 2, this will become 9, 14. From 14, 7, 7. From 9, 4, 5. From 2 to 0. From 2 you cannot borrow 2, 12. From 12, 7, 5. From 2 to 0. So 5057. Okay. Sorry, this will be. Okay, so this is, it says subtract. So this will become your answer, that is 5057. Next question, it says take away 28,766 from 43,414. Take away means you have to remove. So when you remove, it becomes less, so you will subtract. So from is always written on the top, as I told you. So 43,414 minus 28,766. Okay, so from 4 you cannot subtract 6, so you will borrow. So it will become 0, 14. From 14, 6, 8. From 0 you cannot borrow, 3 will be 10. From 10, 6, 4. From 3 you cannot, so borrow again 12. This will become 13. From 13, 7, 6. This is 2, you will borrow 3, 12. From 12, 8, 4. From 3 to 1. So 14,648 will be the answer. Now the next question, question number 3, it says simplify number 8, 2,424 minus 1,783 plus 7,128 minus 863 minus 64. Now there is two ways to do it. Either what you do, the addition numbers, that is the first number and the number which has a plus sign before it. These two will be added, and then the minus numbers, that is 1,783, 863 and 64 will be added. You will add both, and then from the plus number you will subtract the minus number. Or what you do, you will arrange it. Okay, so when you arrange it, the plus number will be written first and then the minus number, and then accordingly you can go subtracting. So always the first number, that is a addition number, the plus number. So this is the first number, this will be added, and the number which has a plus sign before it, that will be added. So 7128 has a plus sign before it, so this will be added to the first number. So you will arrange it and write it. So 2424 plus 7128 minus 1783 minus 863 minus 64. So first you will add, so we add it. Okay, you will add. Now 4 plus 8 is 12, so 2 carry 1, 2 to 4 plus 1 is 5, 4 plus 1 5, 7 plus 2 9. So 9552. Now what you will do, you will subtract. So minus 1783. Okay, from 2 you cannot, so you will borrow. This 5 will become 4. This will become 12, from 12, 3, 9, from 4 cannot borrow, 4, 14, from 14, 8, 6, again you will borrow 8, 14, 14, 7, 7, and from 8, 1, 7. So 7769, now there is no space, so I am writing it over here. Okay, now from this you will subtract 863. So 7769, okay. I'll draw the arrow so that you do not get confused, minus 863. You will subtract from 9, 3, you will get 6, from 6, 6, 0, from 7 you cannot borrow, this will be 6, 17, from 17, 8, 9, and from 6, 0, 6. So 6906. Now you will subtract the last number, that is 64. From 6 to subtract 4, you will get 2. From 0 you cannot borrow, 8, so it will become 10, from 10, 6, 4, from 8, 0, 8, and from 6, 0, 6. So 6842 is the answer. Okay, so when you simplify it, this is the answer that you will get. Okay, so this is how you have to do it. Okay, now we'll move to the next exercise, that is exercise 5B. Okay, we'll move to exercise 5B. Question number 1, it says subtract. Number A, 3,35,128 minus 1,68,075. Okay, now you will subtract. From A to subtract 5, you will get 3. From 2 you cannot, you will borrow, this will become 0. 12, from 12, 7, 5, from 0, 0, 0, from 5 cannot borrow, 2, 15, from 15, 8, 7, from 2 cannot borrow, 2, 12, from 12, 6, 6, from 2, 1, 1. So you will get 1,67,053. Now the next question we'll move to is question number E, 6,80,356 minus 4,96,688. From 6 you cannot subtract, you will borrow, 5 will become 4, 16, from 16, 8, 8, again borrow, 14, from 14, 8, 6, again borrow, 7, 9, 12, from 12, 6, 6, from 9, 6, 3, again you will borrow, 5, 17, from 17, 9, 8, and from 5, 4, 1. So 1,83,668 will be the answer. We'll move to the next question, that is question number 2. It says solve. Okay, it says solve in your notebook and answer the following question. So I'm just writing only solve. Question number A, it says subtract 88,125 from 21,15,518. Okay, so you need to subtract. As I said earlier, from will be written on the top, so you will write it on the top. 21,15,518 minus 88,125. Okay, for me to subtract 5, you will get 3. This will be 4, 11. From 11 to subtract 2, that is 9. From 4, 1, 3. From 5 cannot, borrow 0, 15. 15, 8, 7. From 0 cannot, borrow, this will be 0, 10. From 10, 8, 2. From 0, 0. From 2, 0, 2. Okay, so you will get 20,27,393. Okay, this will be your answer. We move to the next question, that is question number F. Question number F, it says how much should be added to 3,22,218 to get 5,16,102. Okay, so this is the question. It says how much should be added to 3,22,218 to get 5,16,102. Like suppose if I say how much should be added to 3 to get 5. Okay, so what you do, from 5 you will subtract 3, you will get 2. That means 2 should be added. The very same way you have to do this. From the greater number you will subtract the smaller number, you will get how much should be added. Okay, so the greater number is 5,16,102 minus 3,22,218. Okay.